Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question whether deleting a photo from Google Photo will also delete it from your phone. So I already have two photos in my gallery and also I have them in the Google Photos. And we will delete them and we will check is it removed also from the phone. Firstly, I will delete it with the backup. Right now my backup turned on, and then I will turn off it and also delete it and you will see it. So let's remove. Right now I'm in the Google Photos. So let's delete the first one. Delete. And now if I return to the application, to my gallery, as you can see, it removed already this photo from it. Now let's turn off the backup, so we need to click at the profile icon at the right top, then click at the backup, turn off the backup, and then delete it again. So let's do this, pin, and delete. Now we have no photos here. If I return to the gallery, as you can see, it also remove it from your gallery. So, yes, if you delete the photo from Google Photos, it will also delete it from your gallery. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!